Oh, hi. How are you?
Hi,
Sir.
Hi, sir. How are you?
What? Popaya, Vijay, Ima.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Revati.
Hi, sir.
Ganesh. Good. How come all of you are here?
We were just about to go to the lunch
Acha,
in our cafe.
you are taking me also?
Yes,
Sir, sure.
yes, sir, for sure. We will be there.
Come. I don't want to stop you during your lunch. I heard all of you got selected by Triveni Engineering.
Yes, sir.
Good. Very nice. One of the most premium organizations in manufacturing industry, the steel industry. They are getting their wages. Nice. But how did you guys make it, yeah? Huh? This actually always on the last day. How did you make the cut?
Yes, sir.
Last benchers, first batch selection, out of 40-50 students who applied, and 5 of you making it. I'm not too surprised about Hima, but you, yeah.
How did you do it? Yeah, I was a last bench student. It doesn't mean that I wasn't learning. So my 2 years journey at Myra transformed me the way I think. So it's not about only learning from the textbook. We also learn from the hands-on experience from the real-time projects. So you're like whether you're a first bench or last bench, it doesn't matter.
Doesn't really matter.
Yeah, it's about how do you make the
Yeah, our
opportunities.
classrooms are also like that, so we can see very good.
Yes.
Okay.
It's about how do you make the opportunities around you. So I believe that Myra has given me a point of view.
Great. How about you, sir?
Sir?
Mr. Bopaya.
Yes, sir.
So you actually came from Markera, no?
Yes, sir.
Down south,
Yes, sir.
small town.
Good.
Okay.
Yeah, Virajpet.
Virajpet, okay, small town. Actually, I think there are only 3-4 roads which are main roads. The rest of the things are
Developing now, but
developing now. Okay. But then how come from there to here, and how come you got selected as the first batch of the professionals getting into the manufacturing industry, then being probably the first business managers getting out of our college and into Triveni?
yes, sir. You know, I come from a warrior place.
Oh, yeah, of course.
And according to my personality, I was sure that I would get adjusted anyway.
Good. That's the guts.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice.
And also, to tell you, for the first 2 months, I felt it difficult to change my mindset from the old thing to the professional mindset. So,
Yeah. I
yes.
understand. Most of your people go to the army, but coming
Yes.
into the premium B school could be a little different moment.
Yes, sir. And after that, it was a smooth ride. After 2 months, after getting adjusted to that, to this mindset.
But how did the college support you for that first 2 months?
Yes, sir, they focused much on extracurricular activities. So I was into sports from the beginning. So it was a easy thing for me to cope up with curricular and extracurricular activities, and it helped me to build my leadership skills and transform myself.
Next.
Yes.
Okay. Well, this girl comes from a business background. I understand. I spoke to you sometime back about your parents and all that kind of stuff.
Yes,
They're into construction business.
yes, sir.
Good. But how come you landed here? And why you wanted to go for a professional journey? Your father's business, you could have taken over, no?
Why do you want to spoil somebody's opportunity?
So that's not the case actually. My father being in the business does not really make any difference for me.
Okay.
So I've always wanted to, be independent.
Okay.
So being independent makes me, give that vision and professionally I wanted to grow.
Okay. Nice. What do you want to do after 5-10 years?
So 5-10 years professionally, I would want to make a career. But if at all when it comes to my father's business, if he has any idea,
Okay.
I can help him.
Okay.
But I can't even take over or anything like that. I have no plans like that.
Oh, nice. So you wanted to be an independent woman,
Yes.
not under the clutches of your parents.
Yes.
All right. Very good. I would love women to be like you.
Thank you, sir.
Revati. Good. So you are from Calicut, right?
Yes.
Calicut से इधर तक. How did this journey happen? Because one thing that I know is Malayali
Yeah.
get suited to anywhere they go. They are spread across the globe. I don't think there is any country in the world where Malayalis are not.
Being in Mallu, I'm sure that I can go to anywhere, adjust to any people, culture. Even coming here also, I didn't find it much difficult to adjust with my peers. I was slowly learning the language. With the help of my peers, I was able to comfortably uh, be in my raft.
Oh, good. In fact, your language skills have changed. Normally the Malayalis say comfortable in comfortably. That has changed. Basically, that's a good news.
Yes, sir.
All right. So, you're a Tamilian, no?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, proud to be Tamilian?
Yeah, sir,
Nice.
for sure.
But from there to Karnataka, why there were no good colleges in the place where you stay?
Yeah, I have did many research on the colleges over there in Tamil Nadu, but the faculty profile here,
Come,
it is,
let's keep on.
yeah, actually the faculty profile here, it was really amazing
Oh.
because from even I was amazed from Varun Sridhar. So he is the CEO of Paytm. So he comes over here and he takes a class.
Okay.
So that is even from our dean's profile.
Hmm.
So he worked in World Bank.
Okay.
So for 8 years. So that made me really amazing, and even the learning here I got from not only from the faculty, even from the friends over here. It really amazed, and I learned many things. That made me clear the Triveni interview.
Oh, nice. But I'm feeling hungry to go to the cafe, so you don't slow down. All right. But tell me, guys, out of the 40, 50 people, 5 of you got selected.
Yes.
What do you think made you to get selected? What is the difference? I'm sure all our students are competent,
Yes.
Yeah.
but how did you make the cut?
So I think we all were having that skills which they needed.
Okay.
All our classmates also was very, they also performed very well in the interview. But some skills, what they want, we really had. That's what I believe in.
Okay. I guess we had the right skills. And they wanted. Yes. All right.
Even during the interview, they had given some situations where we have to expose our leadership skills, which we had prior, and they have given situations where we have to face, and the solution which we gave, that impressed me.
Made them to decide about it.
Yeah.
Nice. But that makes the interview sessions were very interesting, if I
Yes.
obviously, because if you
Yeah.
have given a live situation and you are able to work on it, that means I think your capstone projects, this, that, and all, which are actually live,
Yes.
are the ones which has helped you
Yeah.
more, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Hands-on experience.
And also, I believe that it's a right mindset which we should be having to clear any interviews. Like what I believe is like when I attend the Triveni interview, I just imagine myself as I'm already working in the Triveni, so I could easily crack the interview.
So that's a good this thing, the attitude that you have shown probably made them to. But I can see the bloody confidence on you.
We also had help from the placement team. We had so many mock interviews. So it also helped us crack the interviews.
Right. Good. Congratulations. Where is the party?
Yeah, sir.
Don't tell me this cafe where we are going to the party.
No, sir. Where you want, we will give you a party.
All right. Good. Great. Thank you very much. Let us go to the coffee.
Okay.